What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make or how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So before we get to solving, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, turn on notifications, and yeah, all that stuff. So also before we get to solving, we got to figure out the parts and how it moves, or like what kind of rotations it does. So since it's a 2x2, it only has edge pieces, which means there's 3 stickers. And so yeah, there's only edge pieces. So there's different rotations, and I'll show you them right now. R inverted, L inverted, D inverted, up, or U inverted, or whoops, B inverted, and F inverted. So now that's all the rotations you're going to need to solve this. So first let me mix mine up. We got our cube mixed up, so I'm not tricking you. Mixed. So basically that's all the sides. So now the first step, you're going to want to get 3 weights on the top, like this. And then you're going to want to get the 4th weight in this bottom cube, so either here or here. So now that you got your 3 weights up here and your other weight in this cube, you're going to do the simple algorithm. If you have one right here, there's a faster way to solve it. All you got to do is basically go F or front, and then D or down inverted. Now you want to go F inverted, and then the white is solved. Have it either here or here. You're going to want to do this simple algorithm. Right inverted, down, right, down inverted. Now do this until it's solved. Right inverted, down, right, down inverted. And again, right inverted, down, right, down inverted. So basically now you're going to want to solve under the white. So basically what that means is, here's an example right here. If you have 2 of the same color under white, like this. Now if you don't have any, you'll just have to do this algorithm twice. So if you do have one, face it away from you. See, it's away from me. Now do this simple algorithm. Right inverted, down, right, left inverted, down inverted, left inverted, or left, right inverted, down, and right inverted. And you should have these solved. Slower if you guys want it. Right inverted, down, right, left inverted, down inverted, left, right inverted, down, right. So now that you got the under the white solved, we're gonna solve the yellow. So simply flip over your cube. Now mine is a singular yellow, so I'm gonna have it in the bottom left corner. Now if yours has two yellows right here and right here, make it to where it's going like on this side, like this. So anyway, now you're gonna do this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, and then right inverted. This step might take you a while, so I'll go ahead and do it again. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, and then right inverted. This step might take you a while, so I'll go ahead and do it again. Keep on doing that until the yellow is solved. Now this is the most time-consuming step, but you can just get it in one try, as you guys saw in the video. So if you have any matching colors, just go ahead and turn them. So if you don't, that's okay. You're just gonna have to do this algorithm twice. If you have a color match, meaning orange, red, blue, or green. Mine in this case is orange. Yours might be blue, red, or green. But anyways, if you have a color match, face that away from you. Now this is the most tricky algorithm. A lot of people fail at this, so I'm going to do this really slowly, and it might take you a few tries before you solve the cube your first time. So you do right inverted, front, right inverted, back twice, right, front inverted, right, back twice, right twice, back twice, and then just match up your colors. Again, if you didn't have a color match, you're just gonna have to do the algorithm twice. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video speed run clip. Once again, like, subscribe, comment whether you got this on your first try. Comment what try you got this on. I was hoping this was easy for y'all, and I tried to make sure every situation was what would you call it? I tried to explain every situation for the cube, and yeah. So your first solve will probably take around 4 or 5 minutes. Maybe more. If you just speed run it like I did on your first try, I don't even know what to tell you. I'll just tell you, go to the National Cube Tournament. I'm trying to figure out how to solve the 3x3 cube, but it's so hard. I can only get the white and this layer with the T's solved. I cannot get the second layer. It's so hard. So comment if y'all know how to solve this. And I'm going to try and do this tutorial next. Ceramics tutorial next. I haven't solved this one either. But I've solved the yellow side. But yeah, please like and subscribe. And I will see you later.